Hello everyone. Is the sound okay? I think the sound seems pretty okay to me. Let me just up that up and we should be good. Okay, so I'm gonna see first of all a few changes to the stream layout. I've been a lot into cookie clicker recently, so I've added a little cookie clicker thing so you can see my current set of my cookies live on Twitch. Figured it would be pretty funny. Additionally, today we're going to be making a new project. I can select the fucking... Why can I not select the text? The fuck? Title. No. Where's the text? The objective. Implementing the base game. There you go. Okay, so hope you guys have been having a good morning so far for those in Europe, and for in the US I hope you've been having a good night. So let's make the repo and let's get to work. Let's call it Buckshot Roulette AI. Buckshot Roulette implementation and AI for university. We'll make it public by default. I should probably make it like on my account. Yeah. Alright, let's get this shit started. First of all, this should be zoomed out, I believe. Yeah, probably. Okay. So, let's just make the basics. There we go, set root directory cd, set sources, it's just gonna be root dir source main.cpp, set outputs exe, it's just gonna be equals to buckshots ai.exe. Yeah. Gosh, I'm sick. It's snowing today in France. Also, Marion Lime, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. And we'll just do cl sources. Fe outputs exe. Why are you not happy? Because I should be doing sets builds flags equals slash, yeah, like this. Here you add the build flags, and we'll also put the little if not exist run tree. Make run tree. Delete this. Builds. Is it dumb? Oh, dude. Okay, try again. There you go. Add a little run script. So just let's call run tree buckshot AI.exe. Okay, we are good to go. So let's just start by implementing the base game and then we'll do an AI. So the way Buckshot Roulette works, also let me just, oh, that was a golden cookie, I missed it. We will start by just making notes of the, like, what's happening in the base game, right? Also we'll make a little git ignore run tree. So, in Buckshot Roulette, we have a shotgun with N ammo containing X lives and Y blanks. X plus Y must equal N. So far, so good. If you shoot yourself with a blank, you get another turn. If you shoot yourself, or if you are shot with a live, turn progress is normal. If you shoot the other with a blank, your turn is skipped. I mean, your turn is over. So that's a base game without items, so let's just get that working first. Pattern of number of bullets. Well, I guess we could just make it random. Okay, also, one thing, since this is a university project, I'm gonna have to go bonkers on encapsulation, making it professional looking, right? So, cringe. Include, we'll make it, we'll call it game.h, or just game.h. Now I wonder how bad do they want me to do like the professional encapsulation thing, because they could do like the Valve coding style, which is something. It's tempting. Anyway. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it full Valve coding style. And let's put ourselves in the Valve settings, should we? Alright, let's make this console us instead. Right, and also let's maybe up the font size because it's gonna be hard to read for you guys. Yeah. And let's just make this the default dark theme. So now we are in a Valve setting. Alright, so we'll do void run. Like this. So let's just start simple and make a gun. Actually, it should be a stack. We'll make it super ugly. So Hungarian notation, 10 billion classes, factories, validators, adapters, making really ugly, right? So it's coding style. We know it's good. Okay, so bullet counts. We do void. Yeah. Something like that, right? So show next bullet will be used for notes. I'm going to just use to implement the magnifying glass item. Okay. Yes, we'll just do n bullets in chamber and bullets counts. And then to do generate bullets. And we'll just do while. I mean, I guess we don't really need that yet. Okay, so here we'll just determine an order. So we'll do int and blank counts, int and live counts, while and blank counts plus and live counts. Yeah, something like this. And we'll just do something like and blank counts equals rands. Well, I guess I could use the actual std random. We'll make a file called util. And we'll just do the bullshit, the usual. Let me just input random. I think this should be std uniform int distribution. Distribution. You should probably take a seed or something. Let me look at Oni and see how I do it. Actually, I think I have some in white noise. Source. Util. I don't, never mind. Where do I have? Because I know I have a repository where I have a random function, but I don't know where specifically. Maybe in templates? No, it's not in template. I think it's in encapsulation that I have it. Util. Yep, there you go. Like this, right? We'll do something like void generates. Generates. We'll do, so whoops. Dude, I hate the fact that there's no easy way to format a print output in C++. I need the library for that. I'll just use cstdio, it's fine. And we'll do for n bullets in chamber. Make random list with occurrence table. Random not shuffle. Oh yeah, I guess that makes sense. So we'll just make a vector. I guess it will be easier to just make it a vector, but you know. STL Tom Chamber dot push back E bullet type blank. We'll do the same for live. There you go. Now we can just do STL. I think there's a thing for that, like algorithm. Yeah. Shuffle STL Tom Chamber dot begin, STL Tom Chamber dot end, and a STD random shuffle. Is that like in random? STD random shuffle. Pardon? It's literally right here. Oh, it's an algorithm. Yeah, but it is an algorithm. I guess it got renamed to shuffle in some way. And my random. I guess we'll just make it a lambda. Like this, right? Generates random chamber. Then we'll do STL chamber dot push E bullet. There you go. So now we have our random our random bullets. Alright, so in game, we will now have a shotgun that will make, of course, we'll make it like I don't know, a shirt or like pointer or something. I guess we don't need that though. Nor do we need that. Alright, in main we also need to include game.h now. Right, because I forgot to do set include dirt equals /I include. Dude. Not defines. Oh yeah. Why are you not happy now? Type is not a member of enduring. So I can't just shuffle that way. Random shuffle should exist though, I'm so confused. Yeah, it exists, so what? 3 blanks, 2 lives, yep. Hello. So for some reason, Talismans cannot find that, even though it does exist. No definition found, dude. It's literally like in algorithm. It's right here. It's right here, dude. Oh, it's because it assumes that I don't have C++17. Okay. Does shuffle not exist if I have C? Does loops confuse me? Nope, it doesn't. They make sense to me. I really need that to shuffle on the raid, dude. That's crazy. How do you take an iterator? How does this make sense? Export std, run it, yeah. Yeah, coding can take some time to get used to. It's normal. Don't worry. Don't worry. Will that work? Build. Yep, it works. Nice. Okay, so we got that working. So let's just not do that anymore. Okay. So we can create a shotgun and insert random bullets. Now let's add simple gameplay. So we'll have 2 players. One will be the dealer and one will be the player. And I guess player always goes first. So we'll go will be turn. We'll make a note saying notes false is player's turn. Erase is the most used things in coding, is that right? Yeah, that makes sense, though, you know. I guess it doesn't really matter what's most used in coding. I don't really understand what they would say that. But yeah, arrays are really useful. Though, you know, an array is a pointer, so technically pointers are the most used thing in programming. Okay, so we'll do while game done do turn. Okay, so we'll do so if b turn, and we'll make some defines like static const expression player turn equals false. because here we'll do something like player dots or yeah, player dot h. Make it abstract. I player. Nope, you don't need it. In fact, it's quite. I don't recommend it. I don't recommend using namespace std, because to give you an example, let's say you do using namespace std, and you include, I don't know, algorithm. In std there's something called fill. Let's say you have also your function called fill. How will it know which one to use? Like, is it gonna use std fill or is it gonna use fill, like the one you implemented right here? So it leads to confusion, which is why I'd recommend against it. Alright, something like that. And then we can do human player.h. Okay, and here we'll do if we'll do something like player enum player action. We'll do shoot yourself, shoot opponents, and then to do add items. If player action shoot opponent, that is bullet type bullet equals P shotgun pop bullets. If bullets equals bullet type blank. Also we'll make a return ball. Okay, we have simple logic. Let's try it out now. And we'll also do something like bull is dead, return, and lives equals 0. Include string to make it a name. We'll do void set name. And we'll just do s name equals s input name. Okay, and here in game we can now include a player. Have C, also human player, I player, P player 1, player 2. We'll do P player 1 equals new human player, C human player. There you go. Here we'll just do V player or P player 1 do turn, P shotgun, P player 2. Like this. Also, this should be like that. Make it consistent. Alright, well, let's try it. Warnings, warnings, result expression not used, and player.h where. $25. Oh yeah. And I also forgot to put eco off on top, and we'll do the same here. Alright, let's try again. Do turn, not all control path return value, human player. This should just be return false. One bling, 4 lives, you. Alright, I should probably print the result, right? Yeah. So I guess what I could do is make it a bit more sophisticated. Right? So this, instead, I'm gonna make player.cpp. Right? Do this, and this instead should not be do turn, but this should be get action. Like that. This should just be return E action. So player here does everything, here we'll do all the printing. Okay, yeah, this should be good. Let's try again. Do turn is not a member of... Huh? Yes, it is. Oh yeah, do action. And here, in action, in player, we'll do e player action, e action equals get action. Like this. Okay, let's try it. One blank, 4 lives, but I want to shoot you. Oh shit. Might have forgotten something. Let's try again. Two blanks, 3 lives. Let's shoot me. Great. Player 2. Me. Great. So now there's 2 blanks, 1 live. So let's shoot myself. Okay, I get another turn. Me again. Now I shoot you. There you go. Cool. Nice. And here we'll do in shotgun we'll do int gets bullets count. I will just return stl chamber dot size. So here we'll just do if. Oh yeah, game done. We'll do return p player 1 get lives equals 0 or p player 2. Oh yeah, or just is dead. All right. If p player 1 is dead, victory for player 2. This should be get name. If get bullet count equals 0, you're just gonna generate again. I think every time we should say how many. No, actually we shouldn't say. All cartridges are inserted in a random order. Player 2, me to shoot yourself, to shoot the other. You. Me. 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 Okay. 2 blanks, 3 lives. Shoot you. There you go. Yay, we got Buckshot Roulette working. We got the base game working. Nice. It's a bit, you know, old and arcade because it's in the console, but it works. It works. It's good. So let's commit that first. Added base game with shotgun mechanics. No items. Okay. Push it. There you go. So, now that we have the base gameplay, let's try and implement items. So, first turn there won't be any items. So player in action. So let's just look at Buckshot Roulette items. All items, there you go. Cigarettes. Magnifying glass. Beer. Handsaw. And we'll do handcuffs later. Actually, no, we can do handcuffs pretty easily. Also, this is not the right. This you shoot yourself, shoot opponents, cigarettes, magnifying glass, beer, handsaw, handcuffs. So in human player, this should then be shoot yourself and shoot opponents. In player, shoot yourself, shoot opponents. Let's just start easy with the cigarette, right? And we'll make a class inventory that each player will have. E player item. We have cigarettes, handcuffs. We'll just have cigarettes for now. Cigarette and magnifying glass. This should be an array, by the way. Well, I guess we could just put it inside, honestly. Would add items, or fill items, I should say. Count occurrences of elements in array C++. Is there a function to do that? Like an STL way to do that, or Cause yeah, like this is easy, but is there a way to? Now I just have to do it normally. Okay, for auto items in. How did I call it again? STL items if e item equals e player item none int and fill counts equals 0 and fill count plus plus while n fill counts is not equals to 0. We'll do, so we don't actually need that. We'll just do possible items, or at least STL items, or E item equals possible items util random int 0 2. Or I guess it should be 1. Oh, and also let's just print the items as well. So in human player we'll do something like this. So we'll do if input equals m, do bullets, next bullet in barrel is, and we'll do p shotgun show next bullet equals e bullet type blank. What? Like this. And we'll rework it a bit so that this is now a vector of actions. We'll make it a stack. Player void add life and life plus equals 1. Something like that. In human player, he'll need to revamp it to make it a bit better. If input equals C e actions dot push e player action cigarettes. Like this. This makes more sense now. Let's try again. Why do I have no items? I should have items. Probably because in player I guess we'll have something called void initialize in iPlayer. This will just std fill stl items dot begin, stl items dot ends with e player item none. Try again. Why is it not showing my items? Because I forgot to code initialize. I'm a dumbass. P player 1 initialize try again. You should be able to do C. Wait, there's a few things I should probably remove. So we'll do so use cigarette, and we'll do for, yeah, we'll just for auto. if E item equals E player action cigarettes, then E item equals E player item none. And we'll do, yeah, there you go. Like that. Handle cigarettes. Handle magnifying glass. Shoots opponents. Shoots you. And the turn. Like this. Okay, let's try again. Okay, I have a magnifying glass. So 3 blanks, 2 lives. What's in the chamber? Live. So I'm gonna shoot you. I'm gonna shoot you. Now player 2. I'm gonna use a magnifying. I'm just gonna use magnifying glass. Live. Shoot you. Okay. Why does it fill the thing every time though? That's weird. I'll smoke a cigarette. See, like it's not removing the item. Even though it should. Case E player item none return. I also forgot to make it so that it actually removes the magnifying glass. Try again. Need to shoot yourself, yeah. So let's use a magnifying glass. Oh shit, whoops. I may have forgotten to do a break. Try again, run. 4 blanks, 1 live. Magnifying glass, blanks. I'm gonna shoot myself. Okay, see, the issue is right now it's filling up after every turn. But it should be if the bullet count is 0, it should fill the items again. So that's weird. odds. Because I'm not giving the items again, right? Oh wait, no, it's player 2. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Okay, magnifying glass. It's a blank. Oh wait, also it's broken. I get another turn, but it's saying no. So let's fix that. Because it should be B turn result. Like this. Also, this should be call. Okay, so 2 blanks, 3 lives. This blank's gonna shoot me. Live, I'm gonna shoot you. Okay, I'm gonna smoke a cigarette. Yeah, I mean, I think it works. But I guess I don't even need to actually like push it at all. Okay, so let's try. Okay, cigarette. Yeah, it works. Cigarette, cigarette. Okay, I don't have a cigarette. Blank. Shoot. Me. There, yeah, it works. Okay, so we have the magnifying glass working. What else do we want to add in items? So we want to say magnifying glass. We'll remove that. We don't need it anymore. Buckshot roulette items. Beer. Beer. Player.cpp. So here we'll add a player item. My mom just brought me a muffin. Like, oh, it's hot. It's hot. Ooh. Mmm. Yummy. Hmm? Oh yeah. Well, let me eat this muffin real quick. Okay, so back to where we were on player. We have beer. How do I? Where do I list? Oh yeah. Case E player item beer. Return beer. B for beer. Handle beer. B drank beer. It's a beer. The next bullet in the chamber is a. Here we'll do C shotgun. No, P shotgun. Show next bullet. Wait, no, what am I doing? We'll do P shotgun. Pop bullet. Something is telling me I'm not quite choosing the right number of items. Infill items. Yeah. Possible items dot size. Thank you. -1. So now, yeah, I should get beers as well. Just try out the beer. Beer. Whoa. Yeah. Copy pasting. It should be beer. Wait, no. Beer. Don't have a beer to drink. Try again. Okay, I have 3 beers and 1 magnifying glass. I wanna pop a beer. No, sorry. B. Pop to blank. Pop to live. Pop to live. So now I have 1 live and 1 blank. So I'll shoot myself. It was a blank, I'm gonna shoot now. Oh. Wait, so there was a live at some point. Well, I popped both lives, I'm done. Okay. Yeah, it works. Cool. Let me just do one thing, because here I forgot to put the backslash. Okay, now we have the items. Okay, now. I guess we could add the handsaw. And the handcuffs, and then we're done with the base game. So let's start with handcuffs. What we'll do is that instead of returning stack, will return a turn result that will have e player action, e action, bull drank, no, it's not, oh, handcuffed opponents, and bull use handsaw. Handcuffs and handsaw. Hi JK Knights, how are you doing? If it's been so long, what? It's been like what, 10 hours? It should be turn result instead. This uni project is so far so good. I mean, I didn't really even start the AI, but at least the base game is working. But yeah, I'll just have to implement simple AI thing and we'll be good. And I'll be done with the project. Though I might not even be able to submit it because, you know, I'm suspended. I need to check my emails for that. Emails. So far, nothing. Also, I hope you like the little cookie clicker interface. I have enough for a time machine. I have enough for time machine. And time machine gives me 152 million. Goddamn. That is a lot of fucking stuff. Anyway. So now we have case e player item, handcuffs return, handcuffs, case e player item, IntelliSense, hello, hello, IntelliSense, hello, thank you, handsaw return, handsaw. Handsaw and H for handcuffs. Handle handsaw, so handsaw is S. Handsaw. Used handsaw. Next bullet will do twice as much damage. Is this code formatting a bit different from Silent Hill clone? Yep. Yep, it is because this is a university project and so they want me to, you know, do the usual templates, factory, validator, STD, class, UE5, Unreal Engine, Godot, validator, adapter, visitor, components, class, methods, member, virtual inheritance, you know, you get the idea. In fact, I'm kind of going bonkers on it because, you know, I think it's stupid that they want us to do that, so I'm making it as cringe as I can make it. Result.b use handsaw equals true. And IntelliSense is freaking out. Handle beer, handle cigarette. B cuts barrel. Clean code, they said. Clean code. The project, right, is to make a simple AI for a game. And so, since I like Buckshot Roulette, I'm gonna make a Buckshot Roulette AI, right? Does that make sense? Yeah, it makes sense. So, use handcuffs. Next turn will be yours, no matter the outputs. I should probably add things for all the items. So yeah. We'll also do like handle action, so we'll do void magnifying glass, void drink beer. Actually, no. Dumb. Or is it dumb? Yeah, it is dumb. So now, in player, now this should be turn result. Result, here we'll do result.action. And I think this should be good. We just implemented Buckshot Roulette. Yay. At least we implemented 2-player Buckshot Roulette, but yeah, I think it's gonna work. Let's try it out. Okay, I have handcuffs, 2 handcuffs and 1 handsaw. Oh shit, I remember, I need to add a protection so that I can't do it if I already... Cigarette, beer, handsaw, handcuffs. If result.be handcuffed opponents already handcuffed opponents. And I can't break out of this if loop, so I can't just do return, so do if result.handcuffed opponents, then we do all these shenanigans. Otherwise, already handcuffed opponents. we'll do the same here. So if result dot use handsaw, put it here, otherwise already used handsaw. And now we should be good to go. Alright, let's build. Beer, cigarette, handcuffs. 2 blanks, 3 lives. Beer was blank. So now I should... I'm gonna handcuff you. What do you mean already handcuffed? No, that's not true. Probably because I forgot to initialize it. Okay, 3 blanks, 2 lives. Magnifying glass. This one is blank, so I'm gonna shoot me. Then I got a handsaw. I'm gonna just shoot myself, honestly. It's blank, cool. Oh shit, I shove the opponent with a blank, I'm dumb. Have cigarette, 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 beer. Beer. Next barrel was live, so there's 1 live next. I'm gonna shoot myself. Okay, now, there you go. Let's try handcuffs. Yeah, it seems to work. Well, there you go. That game works. How nice. Are we not so happy that the game works? Guys, the game works. It works. So that was the easy part, right? So now we can just push this and git add, git commits. Adds added. Whoa. Added full game. Now we just need to make the AI and it's done. Basically. But before that we will run a quick ad break. So I can, you know, feed my family. So I will be back pretty quickly. See you in like 5 minutes. Alright, the ad break should be over. Are we back, guys? Is everyone back? Are we ready to roll? Are we waiting to do the AI? It should have been 120 seconds already, but I'll just clear up some of my notifications on my phone and then we will be good to go. Okay, alright. So, let's get it going. So the AI, thankfully, should be pretty easy to implement. So I don't have any issues with that. So, we will make a AI player.h. And we'll just blatantly just copy this, except this will be CAI player. CAI, character AI, guys, oh my god. AI player. Oh, music is done? Wow. This. Or actually, that is not how I wanted to write it. Nope, not you. We're gonna put you. There you go. So, let's think about how we're going to make our AI. So, for the AI, basically there's only two options. Either shoot yourself or shoot the other. You're always gonna want to minimize the chances of shooting yourself and always want to maximize the chance of shooting the other with a live. So, we'll have something like, we'll calculate a score, like probability of live. If it's above 50%, shoot other. If it's below or equals 50%, shoot yourself. Or maximize chances of, or use items to up percentage of live. That's basically like the entire logic, right? And or use items to extend your advantage states. Yeah, that's basically the entire thing, right? That's basically it. So, in that regard, we'll also we'll do something like int n life count equals 0, int n blank count equals 0. In shotgun.cpp we'll do, oh yeah, there you go. if top equals e bullet type live and live count minus minus. The same for blank. So you're always aware of how many lives and blanks are left. So in shotgun we'll do int gets live counts return and live counts int gets blank counts return and blank counts. So calculate percentage of appearance of occurrence in array. The fuck is that? That is so ugly, Jesus Christ. I mean, yeah, I guess we could just do... I'll do something really stupid. Enum class live pro... e live chance. Likely, unlikely, even. So we'll do e life chance chance e chance if p shotgun gets blank counts is above of p shotgun gets life counts, then e chance equals e life chance unlikely. Else if p shotgun gets life counts is above p shotgun gets blank counts, e chance equals e life chance likely. Else e chance equals e life chance even. Calculate odds of current bullets being alive. Certain, impossible. Else if p shotgun gets live counts equals 0, then it's impossible. Otherwise, if it's equals to p shotgun gets bullets counts, then it's certain. Else e chance equals e life chance even. This disgusting piece of shit of code, look at it. It's so fucking ugly. And depending on those chances now, we can do something, right? Turn result. Bowl B made move equals false, whilst B made move return result. Okay, switch E chance public. What am I doing public? Case E life chance certain. We'll do the easiest first. Use handsaw if possible. Bull has item, E player item, E item. If use for auto and use now. Why is he not happy? Because it's end use and not just gonna have it. Yeah. If E element equals E item, E element equals E player item none, return true, otherwise return false. If has item and use E player item handsaw, result dot use handsaw equals true. Result dot action equals E player action shoot opponents and B made move equals true. Okay, so in case it's 100% sure it's live, use a handsaw if possible to maximize damage and shoots the human. Case E life chance. Impossible. In case it's 100% a blank, shoot yourself. Results dots E action equals E player action. Shoot yourself. Also do if has item and use E player item magnifying glass. E bullets type. E type equals P shotgun. Show next bullet if E type equals E bullets type blank. Return no, what am I doing? Return E chance equals E life chance impossible, else E chance equals E life chance certain. And include IOStream, of course. There you go. In case it's not certain it's a blank, use an item if you can, otherwise just pick what is the best. Case E life chance, unlikely. Actually no, we'll do likely first. If it's likely, and we'll always use the handcuffs as well. Result.handcuffs becomes true. Also do the same if has item beer. If it has item cigarette, AI uses cigarette. And this add life. So if it's likely, we'll just make it the same. In case it's not certain, it's a blank. In case it's uncertain, in case it's likely alive, not live blank, just alive. In case it's unlikely alive, case E life chance unlikely. If the bull B used item, and if B used item, then we will just shoot ourselves. If has item in use, E player item beer, B used item is true, STP sale, AI used beer. If has item and used, E player item. We'll do if E chance is not equal to E life chance certain, or if E chance is not equal to E life chance impossible, we'll use the items. Honestly, that's it. Right, and in case it's odds, use an item or take the 50-50. Case E life chance even. calculate, or just coin flip int and choice equals util. Okay, and there you go. That should be it, honestly. That should be it. Like, this should be, like, all we need for VAI. I pulled the code straight out of my ass, but I think it makes sense. So let's reread it again. So, if there's more blanks than lives, then it's unlikely. If there's more live than blanks, then it's likely. If there's no lives, then it's impossible. If there's as much... Wait, if there's... We could just do if blank counts equals 0 instead. If there's no blanks, then it's certain, otherwise it's even. If it's not certain, if it's not impossible, we'll use a cigarette every time. And use the handcuffs every time. Actually, no, we'll do something different. We'll do if P shotgun gets bullets counts is above 1, so if there's more than 1 bullet left, use the handcuffs. So, if it's not certain, if it's not impossible, if we have a magnifying glass, we use it, so we know. Now, if it's 100% sure it's alive, use a handsaw and shoot. If it's impossible, shoot yourself and, yeah, make the move, likely. Then just take the chance and shoot the opponents. If it's unlikely, use a beer. If it's odd, just take the chance. And you're good to go. Yeah. Let's write some notes. Actually, no, we don't need to. Well, let's test it out right now. And let's see where it breaks. So, AI player, game, will include AI player. And in game, this will be AI player. Okay, cigarette, 2 blanks, 3 lives. I'm gonna use a beer with a blank core. I'm gonna use the cigarette. I'm gonna use the handcuffs and the handsaw, and I'm gonna shoot you. Oh, so it's broken. Damn. Yeah, it seems to work. Formatting could be better, but otherwise it works. What can I say? Okay, let's change things a bit now to make it a bit cleaner. So in player, Actually, no. Yeah, like this. Let's try again. One blank 4 lives. M live U. Hansel glass. Yeah, there you go, okay. Yeah, it seems to work. Let's just make the format a little bit better. Used handsaw. He sees a blank. And we'll do std string live chance to string e live chance switch e chance case e live chance certain return certain possible return possible there you go. And here we'll do okay. Let me just shoot myself. There you go. Yeah, it works. Now we'll just make it things a bit easier. So here in game we'll have int and turn counts equals 0. In game, in do turn, we'll do std cout turn We'll do it here. And turn counts I could even refactor this and say like P or I player P next player equals B turn equals player turn. P player 1, otherwise P player 2. A bit of refactoring in it. Next up, and then do P next player get name. Like this. Did I mess up? Wait, hold on. Actually, I probably want to put an end line here just to make things clean. Okay, so 4 blanks, 1 lives. Me. Wait, did I fuck up the way I... So there's a bug here. Because here... Wait, what? Am I tweaking? Three blanks, 1 live. Magnifying glass. It's alive. I'm gonna shoot me. So here it's 2 lives and no 1 live, 2 blank, no 1 life, 3 blanks. So unlikely. It's unlikely. No, that's not true. Is he dumb? 2 blanks, 3 lives. Me. Okay, there you go. -1 blanks, -1 lives. What the fuck? Well, that's not very normal. What the hell? Generates. Is it fucking dumb? What? What do you mean -1? What? I am so confused right now. -1? At least we know why it's bugged, but still, I'm so confused. Dude, okay, I'm so dumb. You should work now. 3 lives, shoot me. There you go. Is he dumb? why did he shoot himself? What? If it's likely, don't shoot yourself. Am I dumb? Shot AI player. Pardon? Did I do an oopsie or what? Oh yeah, dude, I'm dumb. Never mind. There you go. Okay, 1 blank, 4 live, magnifying glass, it's alive, shoot myself. Okay, so, likely, use handcuff, magnifying glass, she's alive, handsaw, boom, 1 life left. Likely handcuffs. Yep. Seems like it works. Try again. But let's try to actually play against them. So 3 blanks, 2 live. Magnifying glass. Blank shoot myself. Magnifying glass, it's a blank shoot myself as well. So now there's 1 blank, 2 lives. It's probably gonna be alive next. So I'm gonna use a handsaw and shoot you. That was alive, yeah. I have 3 lives left. Okay, so 4 blanks, 1 live. I'm just gonna shoot myself, honestly. Again, I'm gonna use magnifying glass again. Okay, so now it's 1 blank, 1 live. So I'm gonna use another magnifying glass, blank again. So me, now I'm gonna use a handsaw and shoot you. Damn, it works. Well, there you go, the project is done, GG. Alright, now let's just make a little readme, so... Buckshot Roulette AI, an AI project that produces the gameplay Buckshot Roulette and implements a fair AI that plays against you. The way the AI works. The AI works by evaluating the chances of the next bullets being alive, looking at how many lives blanks are left in the chamber. It sorts the odds, not sorts, determines the odds in 5 levels. Certain, likely, even, unlikely, impossible. Depending on the odd, it will choose an appropriate action or use an item to make the odds more in his favor. Just like how a real human would. The AI also uses advantageous items at the beginning of the turn, like a cigarettes, handcuffs, or magnifying glass if he has one. Offers Amelie Heinrich. There we go. Yeah, there we go. The project is done. GG. And I guess I'm just gonna end stream on that, honestly. Because it's done. I mean, it's done. It's just done. Yeah. Easy. Well, that was honestly the only thing I wanted to do in this project. So I guess I'm gonna go now. But you know, it was nice doing a short stream. I'll be back with game dev tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. All right. Bye bye. Actually, no. Let's raid someone. Who can we raid? Following. Let's rate cakes. My goat cakes. My guy. Alright. Let's raid him and then we'll call it a stream. Raid. Alright. That was nice. See ya, chat.